Manufacturing is evolving rapidly, and staying competitive requires a skilled, adaptable workforce. But many companies struggle with outdated training, workforce gaps, and inefficient processes, leading to costly mistakes and lower productivity. For over 30 years, TrainSMART has partnered with industry leaders to develop customized training solutions that enhance technical skills, leadership, and process efficiency. Our expertise covers technical training, equip workers with the latest skills and tools, lean manufacturing and Six Sigma, optimize efficiency and reduce waste, leadership development, empower managers and supervisors to lead with confidence, soft skills training, improve communication, time management, and teamwork. We offer scalable, cost-effective training solutions to fit your workforce needs. On-site and virtual instructor-led training, hands-on, expert-led sessions. Custom e-learning development, self-paced, interactive learning for production workers, engineers, and supervisors. Train the trainer programs, upskill internal experts to deliver training effectively. Our tailored training programs have helped manufacturing companies reduce downtime and production errors, increase efficiency and workforce engagement, enhance leadership and team collaboration. Ready to upskill your workforce and optimize operations? Contact TrainSMART today to build a custom training program that drives real results.